I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, small pullback. Reminder, I'm giving away $1,000 in Bitcoin at the end of the month. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So we had this small pullback. Had some, potential bearish divergence here that's played out on the 1 hour chart, which is not a big move. This level needs to hold, or potentially Bitcoin could move down to this next lower level. We talked about earlier in the day that, potentially if Bitcoin kind of consolidated for a little bit here, bullish for potentially Bitcoin and the altcoins. Now listen, remember, the bullish scenario is we just had a blue moon, a rare full moon, and guess what that means? Pump action. Not all the time. I wouldn't trade solely on the idea. A lot of people think this is just a crazy idea, but we've talked about this, like the pump moon. Now listen, we always trade the charts, and so stay grounded. When these rising channels or rising wedges break higher, parabolic pump action. Parabolic pump action. So just remember, like this thing breaks higher, it's going to be a quick move. 51,000, 53,000, 55,000, maybe $58,000 Bitcoin. We're looking for a move Sunday night, Monday morning out of Bitcoin. I see FOMO starts at $50,000. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, so we had this layer set up today. This person joined the group. He turned $860 into $7,000 in 2 weeks. What is that, 9x? 900% gains in 2 weeks. Huge. This person, the Kucoin setups are fire. I made $31,350 in 10 days. Joining the group was the best decision I ever made. This person, he said, thanks for relighting the fire, bro. My dad made $63,000. Essentially, he's turned $63,000 into $140,000 in 3 weeks with your setups. Huge. This person up $4,000 in 2 weeks. Reminder, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. We have to make it count. This is it. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. Check out my trading group. If you do want to pay with PayPal money transfer, I got 2 spots available. You pay for the year. Just shoot me an email. It's cheap. It pays for itself for the year in 1 or 2 trades. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. These are some recent setups we've been in. Plus 97%, 120%, 60%, 159%, 88%, 233%. You guys remember this one? 9,997 people saw this. This is near. Again, Near had all this news, right? We're going to talk about how important these news ideas are. And I've got a gem Kucoin pick for you with a ton of news. I just found it. I've got another solid pick with news too. So I got 2 picks for you end of the video. So stay tuned. Set up all this news, right? This thing, 190% gains since I gave it to you guys. This is MTV. Gave it to you on the 18th, 3 days ago. 3 days ago, MTV, 70% gains, parabolic gains. I mean, this potentially, let me talk to you about these parabolas just so you understand how they work. So the most important thing is you get these bases when these parabolas, base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4, and then base 5, and then parabolic move. Watch. So listen to this. This sounds like something out of National Geographic. The parabolic curve is one of the most highly prized and sought after patterns. Yes, we want this. This pattern can yield you the biggest and quickest return in the shortest possible time. Yeah, fast gains. Let's go. These patterns are normally at the end of a market advance. So a lot of times, like this is how these coins, You get these blow off tops, you get these huge price rises, okay? This is going to happen. We're going to get a ton of these, and so I just want to make sure you understand how they work. It's tough because sometimes you're up a couple 100% and it's like, oh, should I get in here? And you're watching Bitcoin, and like buying in these bases is something to consider, but obviously riding the parabolic curve, always assume that the pattern is going to continue unless it doesn't. As soon as the parabola breaks, look for downside. So I was researching this coin and want to share it with you guys. So it's on Kucoin. We're going to talk about Kucoin in a second, but it's Bakkt. Okay, so QI is the ticker. Now, I'm super bullish on everything in the AVAX platform. Okay, this is an Avalanche-powered platform, right? Runs on Avalanche. So you can earn interest on your assets. You can access liquidity on demand with low fees. You can participate in governing the protocol by earning key. Now listen, here's where it gets good. I talked to you about AVAX, and I said, note to self, when a $180 million liquidity mining incentive is announced to increase a crypto scale in DeFi, pay attention, because AVAX, moon mission, right? And then I started looking at all the other projects that were running on AVAX and associated with AVAX, because this is $180 million in mining incentives that the AVAX ecosystem is going to see a bunch of use based on, they're giving away a bunch of free money, right? Essentially, right? They're injecting $180 million. So remember that idea. Now, so Key is Avalanche powered platform, right? Run on AVAX. Now check this out. So Avalanche, AVAX, it quadrupled its total value locked following the announcement of this liquidity mining incentive. So that was announced, and then all of a sudden, huge amounts of TVL, total value locked, increase, huge increase. This Bakkt finance has been long awaited. Just became the leading lending platform on AVAX in just a few minutes. They're giving away $180 million. Well, liquidity mining incentives, they call it. QI, Bakkt, is the leading lending platform on AVAX. Are you following me? Now, look at what happened to these other coins. These are native tokens on AVAX that went through the roof. All right, so these are Avalanche native tokens that went through the roof. Joe, 10x'd. Snob, 3x'd. Yak, 3x'd. GDL, 3x'd. Sherpa, 3x'd. PNG, 2x'd. Listen, Key is just getting started. Kucoin has these trading bots, right? I don't use them, but I haven't had very much success with them. A lot of people like them, but what's crazy is the top bots trading, the top traders were all trading Key. So Kucoin's got all these bots and algos that are trading back and forth, right? Trading. Well, you get some volume coming in these coins. Like our win rate on Kucoin is crazy. And I'm just thinking, do bots start buying based on the volume and catapult these prices higher? I've never seen anything like it. It's crazy. Like you guys have seen what these gem picks have been doing. This is insane. So look at Key. This is on Kucoin, Gem Pick. This is a lending platform that runs on AVAX. This is a bull flag. It's just starting to move. So keep an eye on Key, Gem Pick. These things have been amazing. Go over to Kucoin. Listen, there's a link in the description right now. I'm going to be going over these Gem Picks on a regular basis. VRA, I gave it to you guys. NWC, you guys remember that? NWC, I gave it to you yesterday. 8,900 people. Airdrop. Here, let's go. It's price compression, ready to pop. Look, boom, 21% gains in a day. In one day. Atom, Algo, DAG, Filecoin. Listen, they have all these coins, and then they have these small caps, these super small caps, micro caps. ARX, Bolt, Acoin, Fly, 55%, 55%, 52%, 45, 32, 31, 28, 24. These things are crazy. I gave you guys Boson before. There's an amazing amount of these small caps and micro caps. So what's happening is these larger cap cryptos, they're not moving at certain times. Grant, I gave you guys this one too. These larger caps don't move as well when Bitcoin's just doing nothing. So what I found is the money, I mean, look, there's pages and pages and pages of double-digit green altcoins here on Kucoin. Make a Kucoin account. The link is in the description. Trade these with us. This is the easiest money you're going to make in crypto, period. So this is fun. I want to go over this idea with you. So we got into fun on the 19th. That's 2 days ago. Okay. We've had 51% gains since I gave it to you guys, right? In group, we had 78% gains, right? The main thing is the news is coming. Something massive is coming your way. 3 days to go. Okay, so the way this works is traders take profits. Okay, so one thing to keep in mind is a lot of people in crypto would think, okay, this news, everything's going to pump when this news comes out. Well, what happens is the pump happens as soon as the announcement is made. So it's like buy the announcement, sell the event. Because 99% of the time, whatever they announce is not what everybody wants this to be, like an Amazon partnership or eBay, or hey, we just partnered with Google, and it's just not. So keep in mind that we could see some profit taking if you're in this fund trade. So what I do is when I'm really trying to get a good read on these patterns is zoom in. You can see, I mean, potentially there's some type of bull flag, because I mean, this breaks lower. Again, people at some point are going to take profits because it's up considerably, right? So will you see one more move higher? Or Walton chain, this is one that hasn't exploded. Well, it has. We got into this initial pump, but here now it's flagging. Double bottom, and maybe there's this rounded parabolic curve forming. Okay, that would be bullish. When this thing breaks out of this bull flag, right, looking for some considerable upside. Listen, there's an NFT ecosystem platform launching on August the 31st, and then there's a liquidity aggregation platform launching on September the 30th. So this has news. This has a good technical pattern. Wanted to make sure to get this video out to you guys real quick. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.